Hi, Logan here from Vacuum.com, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Hoover Air Cordless 3.0 vacuum. At the time of recording, this vacuum retailed for $299, and it should be a good competitor to Dyson and Shark's handheld models. So let's see what happens when we take it out of the box. So I have my knife here, and we're going to cut in on this side to the little sticker, which actually we could probably peel off. Sticker on this side, and then sticker over here, and we just lift straight up. We see welcome to the Hoover ownership, and a little tab here, and it looks like this should come out. Yes, it does. Let's pull my knife out of the way. And it unfolds. This is actually really nice packaging here. It unfolds into 3 compartments. And let's pull the main machine out of the box. Let's move this all to the side now and take a look at what comes in the box. Let's actually see this. There we go. We have the machine itself and the handle. Put that over to the side. And let's make sure this is all in the frame. I could scoot that back a little bit and we'll all be in the frame. And let's just start assembling it here. So, first of all, we're going to take our plastic wrap off. And our plastic wrap off down here. And along the top, this thing is covered in plastic wrap. And on the back, we're going to click this handle in. We're going to take off our bin here. And there should be something right in the filter path, which should be up here. As you can see, there's a little tag here. So we need to unclick the back, pop it open, pull this out. Just double check that there's nothing else in here. Yep, we are all good. But it is important to double check because sometimes there are things in here. And now all we need is a battery, which we should be able to find right here in the box. We take our battery and click it in. Let's see, how does this go? Just like that. And now it is all connected except for the hose. Let's find that hose and then we can have this be fully done. It does come with some tools. Let's actually pull everything all out of the box and we'll go through what comes with it. Where is the hose? There's the hose. It looks like it's on the back. Okay, it's on the back there, but where's the one that goes over here? For above floor cleaning detached hose, press lever. So they're saying that you have to, oh, okay. So you do this. All right, that's an interesting design, but I guess it works. We will find out if it works. All right, so the hose actually is attached on the machine, which is not pointed out very well in the picture instructions that are on the side, but let's go over what comes in the box. You get the unit itself, 2 batteries, an extra filter, a dusting brush, a crevice tool dusting brush combo, and the battery charger. And that is everything that comes in the box of the Hoover Air Cordless 3.0 vacuum. It's been Logan here for Backbin.com with the unboxing and assembly. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.